Hello, and here is a video on how to remove the grill on a XC60 without having to take out the whole front bumper. What you want to start off with is these tabs. They just push in like that and push out like this. And what you want to do next is to remove this. It's a clip on the back. It's right here, this clip. So I want to push the clip in like that, and it comes up like this, and push it. Now you do not want to close the bonnet, because the only way to open it is with this latch. And so what we will be doing now is taking out the screws from the grill. There is 2 on each side. You will be needing a T25 torx and a low profile ratchet. So these are the locations of the screws. You have one up here, and you have another one down there. This one in particular will be very hard to find and also to unscrew. What we'll be doing now is grabbing our ratchet, and we will be bending the grill just a bit to fit our arm inside, and take out the screws, which will be located somewhere around this part of the grill and this part of the grill. That's the first one out. And that's the lower one out. That we have these 2 screws loosened. We will do the same thing on the other side. That's the upper one done on the other side. Once you have taken out the upper screw, what you can do is take this clip out, this one, just to give yourself a little bit more space inside. So now that is the lower screw that we will be taking out. And know that I have removed the upper clip and the lower one, just to give myself a little bit more room. And now I can also show you where the screws are located, which is right down there. There is one, and the other one was located right here. This. There we go, and that is the last screw. We have these clips all around that we have to loosen up, and that will be by just pressing up on them and pushing out with the grill at the same time. This one is a little bit different. You press it from the side and push the grill from the outside. The old grill is now out, and here we have our new one. And what we will be doing now is the reverse of everything that we just did. We have the screws for the grill, and we will be starting with the lower ones and then the upper ones. That's it. That is the front left side done. Now just do the same thing on the other side. So on this side, on the right side of the grill, it was a little bit tight. So what I did was that I took these two clips out and I pushed the lower screw like this, push it in the grill like that, and hand tighten it. Screws are now in on the right side, and what's left now is to bring this latch up again, this one. To fit the latch, what you do is fit one side and just press it in like that. If it doesn't want to click, like mine is doing, what you do is press the lever down, and you want to press it to the left so it latches. Now everything that we have left is to push these clips back in. And that would be it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments.